want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. This is a 15-minute chart. So we had a rising wedge. Rising channels, 68% chance they break to the downside. But there were bounce ideas down on the indicators. And so in group, I posted this idea where you get a key support bounce and a possible bearish retest. This is the kiss of death. It's called kiss of death. You come up and you touch near this pattern and you've got parabolic downside. Didn't quite touch it, like real close, but hey, nobody's perfect. And this thing just rolled over. You got parabolic downside on the 15-minute chart. Like, I couldn't believe it. I actually took the day and went and looked for some homes near the coast because I knew that it was going to be a bunch of nonsense. This is nonsense. Bitcoin 2-hour chart. So we talked about how many times we had rejection. This is a bull trap. For you that aren't in the group, if you see me call a bull trap, then you know that bulls are going to get wrecked, and that means I'm selling. Now look at this. This video is from 5 days ago. Down at the bottom, 5 days ago. I called bull trap. And what happened? This thing went to the downside. Now watch, same price action. Watch this. Right here is right here. Bull trap, massive move to the downside. I called it here too. I call the bull traps and I close my positions, or I go short and I make a ton of money. And that's where MEXC comes in to the equation. And that's why people are making so much money on MEXC shorting. They're counter trade the traps. Every major move, pivot in crypto is going to be a trap. And a bear trap, like let's say this was a long wick reversal, I would long a bear trap. Okay, so without saying buy, I would long this, and this is what happened. Right? You understand this? On a lower high, so here's a high right here, here's a high up here. This is a lower high. This is also a bull trap. On a lower high, I will exit my position. The lower high means, and you had a lower low too. This is warning. As soon as I see a lower high, trend change, right? And so I'm selling, and this thing bottomed out. And again, same thing here. I called it bull trap and downside. I had closed all my positions earlier today and took off, went to the coast. Even said this afternoon before I left, I said caution trading today. Caution. May the 7th, 12:01 p.m. Eastern time. Caution. People need somebody, a leader, to tell them when to be careful in this market. And I can do that for you. I will lead you to this bull market and I will take you to the top with me. I will drag you to the top with me. Watch. Listen, the people right now that are doing the best are the people that signed up for MEXC. I think this is going to be the next big exchange, right? It used to be Poloniex. When I first got into crypto, it was Poloniex, all the little small caps. They had Pepe. Pepe went berserk, right? So they're picking up all the coins before Kucoin. And you're getting on margin trading, you're getting a ton of rewards. They're giving away $9,100 per person, depending on how much you deposit and how much you trade with, right? And I'm giving away $100 per person to 5 random people that all you have to do is put $25 on the exchange and try it out. But you can short the market, and people, I've had more DMs today. Thank you. It's easy to use. You can short the market. You can trade both ways. It's real easy to use. And people are making a ton of money. Remember, for the $9,100 in rewards, to be eligible for the $500 giveaway, you must use the Crypto Revolution MEXC VIP link in the description. That's it. No one else is doing this, period. Bitcoin broke support level. This is not good. Now you're oversold down here, so you might bounce. But if you bounce and you come back up here and you retest, it's a bearish retest, and you're coming down here to lower. So 27,700. The futures markets are open, and stock market are going to open 9:30 in the morning Eastern time. And you're going to see some movement out of Bitcoin. I told you all before the storm, Bitcoin move coming 48 hours. Now, tons of people are changing their lives on MEXC already. This young lady, she took $100 and she turned it into $700, right? She was longing Pepe. This doubled her portfolio. This person, I was homeless 5 years ago. These past 2 years, I've made more than I can ever imagine. Crypto Rev is by far one of the best tools to have. It fallen in my lap since. He was homeless 5 years ago. Made more than ever could imagine. This person, it's been a long time since I felt this good. It took me a while to think about what I even want for myself, but this is a good start. I appreciate you, and I feel blessed for everything I've gained from you and the group. I'm finally moving forward again with direction. Knowing CBC is the best gift in his life. He quit his dream job to trade crypto because of me. This person, great setup, Chris, been nailing gem pick bangers like crazy. He's up 2x in a week with these Kucoin gems. I mean, it's ridiculous. Sky's the limit. Yesterday's profit and loss for this person, $7,240. Made 7 G's in a day. We're nailing banger after banger after banger. Right now, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Half the time, think about how much money you've lost in crypto. Imagine if you were shorting it, all those losses would be winnings, and you would be a millionaire. Discount for the trading group ends in 24 hours, so you've got to take advantage of it today. This is a Bitcoin daily chart, and this is where shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder. You get a breakdown at this pattern. This is a complex in shoulders. So you have multiple shoulders and a head. This isn't just Chris made this up. Here, I'll pull it up for you real quick. Look, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder, breakdown. This thing breaks down. You're coming down to support 26,500 and the textbook retest area, which we've been talking about. And this has been on every single video. 25,200, which has to hold, maybe even 24,000. You could see a quick drop if this doesn't hold this support level. You're going to have some support right in here around 27,200, but you don't want to get a confirmed complex head and shoulders, a complex top. You do not want to get that because you'll have massive amounts of Bitcoin downside. That's all there is to it. This is the total two. Oh, total altcoin market cap for the top 125 altcoins. And I said, so you have a bear flag. If this thing breaks lower, you're looking for an 8% drop on average out of the altcoin. Some will drop more. This is a rising channel. It's supposed to break to the downside. Now, you could have shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder, but this bull trap worries me. This would be an inverse complex head and shoulders. So very important to not lose your entire portfolio based on the Bitcoin price moves, right? You got to, there's a point where you got to take profits. You got to pay yourself. If you don't pay yourself, no one else will. Just like joining the group. There's nobody else that's going to make you join the group and be successful but you. You have to make the decision that you want something different. Pepe, everybody's talking about all the hype about Pepe and meme coins. And that's exactly what it is hype. And that's all that matters. It has no utility. It doesn't matter if it has utility. It was hype. This coin went parabolic. And then everybody wanted to buy it. Oh, Pepe's going to freaking the moon. It's freaking taking off. And then massive pullback. And everybody that bought up here is in tremendous losses. Typically on parabolic run-ups, you get 78% retraces. So think about that. If you're still sitting there waiting for the bounce, 80% of your money. Danger, danger. Got to change the way that you see this market. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.